Hi and welcome back. Are you ready for 50 questions of general knowledge? Let's see how many you can get right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Which powerful giant is the only mammal that physically cannot jump? Is it A, hippopotamus, B, rhinoceros, or C, elephant? The correct answer is C, elephant. How many time zones does France span when including all its overseas territories? Is it A, 10, B, 12, or C, 8? The correct answer is B, 12. What color is the skin hiding beneath a polar bear's white fur? Is it A, pink, B, black, or C, gray? The correct answer is B, black. Which nation devours the most chocolate per person annually, at roughly 10 kg each? Is it A, Belgium, B, Germany, or C, Switzerland? The correct answer is C, Switzerland. From Alabama to Wyoming, which letter mysteriously never appears in any U.S. state name? Is it A, Z, B, Q, or C, X? The correct answer is B, Q. What percentage of Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean rather than rainforests? Is it A, 30%, B, 70%, or C, 50%? The correct answer is C, 50%. Which muscle in your body can contract in less than 1/100th of a second? Is it A, tongue muscle, B, heart muscle, or C, eye muscle? The correct answer is C, eye muscle. How many hearts pump blood through an octopus's remarkable body? Is it A, 2, B, 3, or C, 4? The correct answer is B, 3. Which country actually has more pyramids than Egypt, with over 200 ancient structures? Is it A, Mexico, B, Sudan, or C, Peru? The correct answer is B, Sudan. Which fruit defies convention by wearing its seeds on the outside? Is it A, raspberry, B, strawberry, or C, blackberry? The correct answer is B, strawberry. How often does your sense of taste completely renew itself? Is it A, every 2 weeks, B, every 5 days, or C, every 30 days? The correct answer is A, every 2 weeks. Which nation has never missed a single Summer Olympics since 1896? Is it A, Greece, B, United States, or C, Germany? The correct answer is A, Greece. What's the ironic name for the fear of long words? Is it A, megalophobia, B, verbophobia, or C, hippopotamonstrosquipedaliophobia? The correct answer is C, hippopotamonstrosquipedaliophobia. How many bones does a newborn baby have compared to an adult's 206? Is it A, about 300, B, about 270, or C, about 350? The correct answer is A, about 300. Which planet spins backwards compared to all others in our solar system? Is it A, Uranus, B, Venus, or C, Mercury? The correct answer is B, Venus. How much does an average cumulus cloud weigh despite floating in the sky? Is it A, about 750,000 kg, B, about 250,000 kg, or C, about 500,000 kg? The correct answer is C, about 500,000 kg. In which country was Lego invented, where leg got means play well? Is it A, Sweden, B, Denmark, or C, Norway? The correct answer is B, Denmark. How many eyes does a bee have in total? Is it A, 5 eyes, B, 3 eyes, or C, 7 eyes? The correct answer is a 5 eyes. What's the longest word you can type using only the top row of a keyboard? Is it A, proprietor, B. Repertoire, or C. Typewriter? The correct answer is C. Typewriter. Which animal sleeps up to 22 hours per day to conserve energy? Is it a giant panda, B. Sloth, or C. Koala? The correct answer is C. Koala. On a standard die, if you roll a 6, what number is hidden on the opposite side? Is it A. 2, B. 3, or C. 1? The correct answer is C. 1. Which food can archaeologists find in 3,000-year-old tombs and still eat safely? Is it A. dried meat, B. salt, or C. honey? The correct answer is C. honey. In what year did Ray Tomlinson send the first email to himself as a test? Is it A. 1971, B. 1969, or C. 1973? The correct answer is A. 1971. Which plant grows so fast you can literally watch it grow in real time, reaching 35 inches per day? Is it a kudzu, B. bamboo, or C. kelp? The correct answer is B. bamboo. How many stripes represent the original colonies on the American flag? Is it A. 13, B. 11, or C. 15? The correct answer is A. 13. Which body parts keep growing throughout your entire life thanks to gravity and cartilage? Is it A. ears and nose, B. hands and feet, or C. hair and nails? The correct answer is A. ears and nose. Which country contains over 60% of the world's lakes? Is it A. Russia, B. Canada, or C. Finland? The correct answer is B. Canada. How many stomach chambers allow cows to digest grass that would make humans sick? Is it A. 4, B. 3, or C. 2? The correct answer is A. 4. How long did the shortest war in history last before Zanzibar surrendered to Britain in 1896? Is it A. 6 hours, B. 2 hours, or C. 38 minutes? The correct answer is C. 38 minutes. What percentage of Earth's surface is covered by water, though 97% is undrinkable saltwater? Is it A. 65%, B. 71%, or C. 78%? The correct answer is B. 71%. Which animal needs the highest blood pressure just to pump blood up its neck? Is it A. camel, B. elephant, or C. giraffe? The correct answer is C. giraffe. How many keys does a standard piano have, combining both white and black? Is it A. 76, B. 88, or C. 96? The correct answer is B. 88. Which continent is the only one without a single active volcano today? Is it A. Australia, B. Europe, or C. Antarctica? The correct answer is A. Australia. At what speed does a sneeze blast out of your nose, faster than most highway traffic? Is it A. 100 mph, B. 60 mph, or C. 80 mph? The correct answer is A. 100 mph. Despite being found in Chinese restaurants worldwide, which country actually invented the fortune cookie? Is it A. China, B. USA, or C. Japan? The correct answer is B. USA. How many teeth should a healthy adult human have, including wisdom teeth? Is it A. 32, B. 28, or C. 30? The correct answer is A. 32. Which marine mammal holds the record for the longest breath-holding dive at over 2 hours? Is it A. elephant seal, B. sperm whale, or C. Cuvier's beaked whale? The correct answer is C. Cuvier's beaked whale. What is the most common eye color worldwide, found in about 79% of people? Is it A, blue, B, green, or C, brown? The correct answer is C, brown. How many time zones does Russia span, making it midnight in Moscow while it's morning in Vladivostok? Is it A, 11, B, 13, or C, 9? The correct answer is A, 11. Which tiny bird has a wing structure so unique it can fly backwards? Is it A, sparrow, B, finch, or C, hummingbird? The correct answer is C, hummingbird. At what temperature do Celsius and Fahrenheit scales meet at the exact same number? Is it A, -40, B, -32, or C? The correct answer is A. Which country holds the world record for having over 267,000 islands within its borders? Is it A, Sweden, B, Finland, or C, Norway? The correct answer is A, Sweden. How many legs does a lobster have, counting those impressive claws as modified legs? Is it A, 10, B, 12, or C, 8? The correct answer is a 10. What's the scientific name for the fear that makes some buildings skip an entire floor number? Is it A, triskaphobia, B, triskaidekaphobia, or C, tridecaphobia? The correct answer is B, triskaidekaphobia. What percentage of your brain do you actually use, despite what popular myths claim? Is it A, 100%, B, 75%, or C, 90%? The correct answer is a 100%. In which country is it illegal to keep a guinea pig alone because they're too social? Is it A, Austria, B, Switzerland, or C, Netherlands? The correct answer is B, Switzerland. How many rings make up the iconic Olympic logo representing the inhabited continents? Is it A, 6, B, 4, or C, 5? The correct answer is C, 5. Which metal breaks the rules by staying liquid at room temperature? Is it A, gallium, B, mercury, or C, cesium? The correct answer is B, mercury. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall, marking a historic moment for German reunification? Is it A, 1989, B, 1991, or C, 1987? The correct answer is A, 1989. How many players take the field for a cricket team, matching another popular sports number? Is it A, 9, B, 11, or C, 13? The correct answer is B, 11.
If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.